That's not right. That's better.
A Learn trailer, creating groups. Hi everyone, my name is Kyle Schultz. I'm the faculty liaison with the Center for Teaching Excellence.
I'm James Skidmore, and I am the Arts Teaching Fellow. Today we want to talk about creating groups in Learn. And I sometimes wonder, is it worth creating groups? You know, students resist groups sometimes. They're shy about working with others. They're very concerned about what kind of grade they'll get. If they work hard on a group and a member doesn't, then who's going to get the good grade, etc., etc. At the same time, though, group work is essential in certain courses or in certain tasks. And it can be a great way for students to learn to work with each other, to work with people. They got to learn that sometime. And it's a great way to get them a little less prof-dependent and a little more independent in terms of their learning. Kyle's going to show us how to set up a group.
Yeah, so Learn can facilitate groups rather nicely. Start by going to your home page, clicking on Connect, and from there you just want to click on Groups. Now when you're in the Groups page, you're going to see another big blue button. Click on New Category. We'll create a new category of groups. Now when you're here, you want to first give it a category name. So we're going to say Esperanto verb groups. We like Esperanto.
Oh, we do.
You can change the description. What the most important part, however, is the enrollment type. You see 5 options here, but really there's 2 main categories. The first one is creating groups by the number of groups. In here, you can choose auto-enrollment or no auto-enrollments, which means you as the instructor chooses the members. You can choose number of groups, so Learn automatically populates the groups, or number of groups where the users themselves enroll themselves. Now, most instructors tend to use groups of a certain number of people. In here, either Learn can choose those groups or the students can choose those groups. We're going to let Learn choose those groups, so we'll just say groups of, and we're going to say 2 students per group. Here, we want to auto-enroll new users, so if they join after the course is created, they'll still get a group. And we also have some additional options in terms of workspaces. We can set up a discussion area so the group members can communicate with one another and plan together. And we're also going to set up a group Dropbox, a group assignment Dropbox, where the users can submit an assignment together. When you're happy with that, click Save. Now we have to set up both that discussion forum in the Dropbox. So we want to click on New Forum. And it's just going to come up with a very basic window. Again, give it a title. We'll say Esperanto verbs. Esperanto verbs. Click Save. Then you just say Create and Next. And here you'll have the window to create your Dropbox. So again, we're just going to say Esperanto verbs. If only I could type correctly.
I still like Esperanto.
You can, if you have a grade book set up, you can attach it as a grade item. You can attach instructions if you'd like to. You can add files as well. But again, when you're happy with that, just simply click Create. At the next screen now, you're looking for 3 green check marks. If you see that, you know everything's correct. Click Done. And now what you can do is navigate back to your groups. And what you'll see now are your new created groups.
Groups have been formed.
With the members, Dropboxes, and discussion forums.
And we have 6 students in the course, so that's why there's 2 members each. Great. You know, that's kind of corny, isn't it?
Just a little bit.
Luke, I'm your father.